Hello guys, welcome to my very first video tutorial of Fun with Excel. From now we are going to learn about Excel, what is Excel and for what things Excel deals. Excel deals mainly with two things which is very important for doing anything in Excel, that is formula and function. Now formula uses plus, minus and all that which is included in arithmetic operators, just like mathematics. This thing we have studied in almost standard third or fourth, but functions is new for you. That is just like sum, average. Might be if you are have you, learned some basic in Excel, you know what is sum and average. So let us start with formula in this tutorial. Now formula is mainly used for calculation and it is very flexible. You can do anything with formulas according to your requirement, but it's a little bit tricky to use formula. But anyhow, if you are watching my tutorial every day, you will know how to use your formulas in Excel. So let us start with our first formula. For explaining you about formula, I have made this data so that we can understand it very clearly. Now first of all, if you want to write 1, 2 and up to down, what you will do, you will just write 1 and 2 and then select your data like this, and then take your cursor closer to this square like structure over here. You will see a plus sign over here. Just double click on it. You will see your series up to down. This is known as series in Excel. Whatever you are writing, if you want a series, all the numbers in odd, what you can do, you write 1, 3, select it and then double click. It will give you 1, 3, 5, 7 after interval of 1. But basically you don't need to write like that, so let me write 1, 2. Now before starting any formula in your Excel, what you need to know is you have to attach your is equal to sign whenever you need to use your formula. And what we need to do first is, I want total of these three subjects over here in this column. So what we will do is equal to sign. As I have told you that you have to use is equal to sign before you do anything, is equal to. Then second thing you need to know is how to find a particular address of a cell, because if you are going to write 50 plus 65 plus 70, enter, it one will give you 85, but if you are changing your data over here, it is not going to change here. So what you have to do is you have to give the address of a address of your cell which you want to add in your formula. So here what I want to do, I want to add these three cells in this cell up to down. So what we will do, first of all, go on this cell, you will see F2 over here. What is this F2? This is known as a name box, and it is showing name of your each and every cell in Excel. So now it's just like a graph. As you have studied graph, x-axis and y-axis, here you have A, B, C, D, which indicates your column name, and this is 1, 2, 3, which indicates your row name. This is my columns, column A, column B, column C, and this is your rows. So now if I want the name of this cell, what is it? F2. First is your column name and it is followed by your row. This is G2 and this is H2, because the column is H and row is second. So H2. Just like that, you can just write a formula in very simple way, is equal to F2. So it will highlight your cell which you have written the name of that cell. Then what we need to do, we want to add Gujarati marks here. So plus G2 plus H2. Enter. Then I am getting total of these three marks. If you want to see that your total is right, what you can do, just select the three cells and you will see sum over here. And even it is showing you the average of three numbers over here, 66.66. Now I want this all, plus of this over here, plus of this, sum of this over here, sum of this over here. So as same like this, what we can do, just select this cell, go to this structure, square like structure, you will see a plus sign, then double click on it, total of all your data up to down will come. If you want to check, you can check like this. Just select this. What this is, what 255. So you can also see that here. Now let us find average. We also have average function, but today we are not going to see any of the function. What we are going to see is only the total of your using formula. We need to do average. Okay, so now let us start. Is equal to, what is the average? Total of all the numbers plus divide by the number of items. So is equal to, what is my address of this cell? F2 plus G2. You can also select it and then put a plus sign and then select this and enter. This is giving you what? Sum. And then after that, what we need to do? Divide by 3, because we have 3 items. It will also give you average and it will also give you percentage. But now if I'm going to write over here something, it is going to do what? It is going to erase my data. But to change my original formula of the cell, what you have to use? You have to use shortcut key named F2. You can also double click on it. Now whatever plus is there, I want to divide it. So divide by 3. It is 143.3, but my average for this tree is 66.3. So this is my wrong average. Why? Because what this cell is doing the division first, and then whatever answer is coming, it is just adding this 2 number into it, because the priority of division is first. The priority of your arithmetic operators are, first of all, your formula will show bracket, then division and multiplication, then plus and minus. It's just like plus and minus. So what we will do, we will just add our bracket from here to here. So now what he will do, he will just plus add your data first of your cell, and then it will divide it by 3. So now you are getting your average very accurate, 66.6667. Now I want average up to down. So what I will do, I will just double click over here and you will get all the average of your marks. So that is how you can use your formulas in Excel. In next tutorial, I will explain you how the priority of or hierarchy of your arithmetic operators are, and we will proceed with some of our functions. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. Goodbye for now.